To ensure your Pandabuy orders aren't seized, follow these guidelines. Legitimate products. Purchase only legal and legitimate products. Avoid items that are counterfeit, prohibited, or restricted in your country. Research import rules. Familiarize yourself with your country's import regulations and restrictions. Some items may be restricted due to safety concerns, copyright issues, or health regulations. Provide accurate information. Fill out your shipping and billing information accurately to avoid any confusion or suspicion. Declare accurately. If required, provide truthful and accurate declarations of the items in your order. Misrepresenting the contents could lead to seizure. Check seller ratings. Purchase from reputable sellers with positive ratings. Avoid sellers with a history of counterfeit or prohibited items. Use trusted shipping methods. Opt for reliable shipping methods with tracking and insurance. This ensures your package is traceable and protected during transit. Communicate with customer support. If you have questions about product legality or shipping, communicate with Pandabuy's customer support. They can provide guidance on compliant shipping options. Pay attention to customs notifications. If customs authorities request additional information or documentation, respond promptly and accurately. Failure to comply could lead to seizure. Monitor tracking. Regularly track your order status. If you notice unusual delays or issues with customs, contact Pandabuy's customer support for assistance. Be patient. International shipping can sometimes experience delays at customs. Be patient and allow time for your package to clear customs and be delivered. Respect local laws. Some items might be legal in one country but not in another. Research and respect the laws and regulations of your own country.